Are you or your college-age youngster thinking about law school? Our legal affairs analyst Joyce Hilary is back in the studio today to share some thoughts on that process. Hey, Joyce.
Hi, Joyce.
Hi, Erin. Hi, Brian. How are you?
Good, good, good.
So let's talk about that big task. Law school is no joke.
No joke.
It is not. It is not. And you know, I've had the privilege of speaking to high school students at career fairs and even college students about what they want to think about when they go to law school. And one of the subjects that always comes up is, what should I major in? And people seem to be still, after all these years, think that they should major in political science. And while that's wonderful if you want to major in political science, if it's something you're not interested in, if it's something you're not going to do well in, then I say major in whatever you like. Because the law schools like diversity. They want it, you know, if they get, you know, hundreds and hundreds and thousands of applications with everyone, they want something that's going to set you apart.
Sure.
You know,
And there's so many facets of law.
Oh, absolutely, yes. Absolutely. Which, you know, and that's why it's also a good idea, if you're thinking about going into the profession, I would recommend doing an internship. You know, go to an office, and perhaps one that really deals in different areas, so you can really experience this firsthand, because I can tell you it's not the way it is on TV.
Now, Joyce, law, it's a lot of studying, a lot of reading, and if you've majored in mathematics, do you not think that that will hurt you because someone who was a poli-sci major would have a leg up when they get to law school opposed to you?
Well, it's interesting you would bring that up, Erin, because I actually was an accounting major.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
And I'll explain why I did that, because there was a plan, and it's something that I've shared with the students. Accounting is one of the few majors where, when you get a bachelor's degree, that if you decide perhaps not to go to law school or pursue a graduate degree, that you have a marketable degree. And accounting is just, and I'm not major, I say major in whatever you like, but that's an example because you brought up math. It's a wonderful background because somehow or other you always end up dealing with accounting type principles. Right. So, you know, I think, you know, obviously law school is an adjustment. It's a different type of learning even than college. One of the things that I found amazing was that most of the grades were based on one final exam. And you're not used to that. You know, I have a daughter in high school and a daughter in college, and you know, they're used to getting constant quizzes and constant exams. So, you know, if you don't do well on one test, well, you can make it up. But this could be your whole grade in law school.
Yeah.
That's hard.
Definitely.
Not an easy test.
Definitely.
How do you get around the very stringent requirements of law schools nowadays? I mean, they want you to have certain types of experience.
Yes.
They want you to have come in at a certain level. I mean, how does one who maybe just has an average education in other areas overcome that hurdle? What do you have to do?
Well, I think one of the things that's important to set yourself apart is to show that you are diverse in other areas. Perhaps you did community service. You know, they really appreciate people who want to give back. I think that goes with college admissions, law school admissions. You know, I think the admissions officers want to see a well-rounded person, a person they feel, you know, is not just, you know, that has that tunnel vision. Oh, and this also allows you to deal with different types of people in life.
Yes.
And they should think beyond the courtroom. There are a whole lot of careers involve lawyers, politicians. A lot of them are lawyers.
Absolutely.
PR people, you name it. A lot of them are lawyers.
There are so many people who go to law school and don't even practice law. It's a wonderful background. It teaches you a great way of thinking.
Yeah.
And a law degree will never hurt you. So it's not going to hurt you.
Exactly.
Joyce, thanks. Always a pleasure.
Thank you. Pleasure
We'll
to be
see
here.
you again soon.
Thank you.